Talking about the internal and external angles of a regular polygon. So the internal angles of this polygon, regular polygon, it's a triangle, it's going to be 60, 60, 60, and this is going to be 180 degrees. Okay, for this one, the internal angles are going to be 90, 90, 90, 90. And so we get 360 degrees. Okay? So we also need to know the external angles. So the external angles are these angles here. They're all equal to each other. Okay, so looking at this external angle, we know that this is going to be 60, so this is 120 degrees. All right, all three of these are going to be 120 degrees. So we have 120 degrees multiplied by 3 equals 360 degrees for the external angles. No matter what, we'll always have 360 degrees for the external angles. Because if you imagine yourself right here as you walk around in a circle, as you're walking around a triangle, right? But as if you're going in a circle. So you go 120 degrees, you get to this point, you turn 120 degrees, you get to this point, you turn 120 degrees, and you end up at the same spot going around 360 degrees. So if you look at this one, it's the same thing. So this time the external angles and the internal angles are equal. So the external angles are 90, 90, 90, and 90. So the external angles will also be 360 degrees. No matter what, we'll get 360 degrees. For this one, we know the external angles are also equal to 360 degrees. So we take 360 degrees and we divide that by 5. And we get 72 degrees. To get the internal angles, we just take 180 minus 72, and we get 108. So this is 108. We need to multiply this by 5 in order to get the total internal degree measure of this pentagon. For a hexagon, we do the same thing. So this angle is going to be 360 degrees divided by 6. So then we get this, which is going to be 60 degrees. To get the internal measure, we take 180 degrees minus 60, and this is going to be 120. So 120 all multiplied by 6 to get all of these, 120, 120, 120, all of these multiplied by 6. Now we'll notice a pattern here. So 180 minus 360 divided by 5, multiplied by 5. So 5-sided, we get 5s here. 6-sided, we get 6s here. So for n-sided, we don't know how many sides we have, but we know it's a regular polygon. 180 degrees minus 360 degrees divided by n for number of sides, all multiplied by n. Now what we do is we distribute this n real quick, and we get 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 360 degrees. Distributing out 180, we get 180 multiplied by n minus 2. And this is the equation for the internal degree measure of any regular polygon.